Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about Apache PIG, which is a simple tool for working big data. To understand why PIG is important, we just need to look at the big data problem. In the past, the main way to analyze massive data on Hadoop was by writing Java MapReduce program. This old way was a major bottleneck for several reasons. It was extremely complex and required a lot of boilerplate code. It was slow to write. A simple task could end up being hundreds of lines of code. The code was rigid, making it difficult to change or maintain. It was a specialized skill. You had to be an expert Java programmer, which locked out most analysts. Because of this, company needed a simpler way. The goal was to create a high level abstraction, a simple language that could be automatically translated into those complex MapReduce jobs. Now, what is Apache PIG? So, what is Apache PIG? As its core, it's a high level platform. You can think of it as a tool that takes your simple instruction and translate them into a language that the big data cluster or Hadoop understands. It's an abstraction layer. This means you don't actually need to know the complex details of how MapReduce works. Peak handle all the complex under the hood job maintained for you. To do this, it uses a language called Pig Latin. This means simple scripting language. You're right. It's a procedural data flow language, which means you just write a step by step recipe of your data. How Pig works. So, how does the process work? That's a simple four-step flow. Now, first, you write a simple script in Pig Latin. This script describes what you want to do with your data. Second, Pig optimizes. The Pig engine analyzes your script, find the most efficient way to run it, and optimize it. Now, third, Pig compiles. Pig translate your optimized script into a series of complex MapReduce jobs, or in modern system, it can also use Spark. Finally, Hadoop executes. The cluster run these jobs and give you back the final result. The Pig Latin language. Let's take a quick look at the Pig Latin language itself. As we said, it's a simple step-by-step data flow language. Here is a quick example. Step 1. You load the data. You had write A is equal to load student data dot text as name character grade character. Now second, you filter the record, keeping only those where grade is F. B is equal to filter A, but grade is equal to F. Now step 3, you save the result. You have write store B into filing student output. As we can see that it's a very clear step by step process. Now key features and its benefits. PIG has several key features that make it so useful. Now first, less code, faster development. A task that might take 200 lines in Java may produce might only take 10 lines in Piglet. Extensible. If Pig does not have a function you need, you can easily write your own user-defined function in Java or Python. Handles all data. It can natively process structured data like tables, semi-structured data like JSON, and unstructured like plain text data. Now, automatic optimization. You don't have to be a cluster expert. Pig automatically optimize your query for performance. Why we use Pig? The benefit. These features lead to some major benefits. Fast development. It dramatically reduces development time. What used to take days can now take hours or minutes. This allows for rapid prototyping. Easy to learn. It's a simple SQL-like commands are easy for both programmers and analysts to learn. This open up big data analysis for more people. Powerful and flexible. Pig is built for complex multiple step data transformation, often called ETL. And as we saw it, it can be extended with UDFS for any custom logics. Pig versus Hive. A common question is how Pig compares to another popular tool, Apache Hive. Apache PIG is a procedural, think of it like a step-by-step recipe where you can tell it how to process the data. This make it great for programmers and developers who are doing complex data transformation, building data pipelines, or doing some research. Apache Hive. On the other hand, Apache Hive is declarative. It is more like an SQL query where you just tell it what data you want. This makes a better fit for data analysis and BI professionals who need to do data warehousing, run add reports, or program SQL based analytics. In short, Apache PIG is a simple, powerful tool that makes big data analysis faster and more accessible for programmers by translating simple script into complex jobs. Conclusion. Why PIG matters. So to wrap up, what is Apache PIG? In short, it is a simple, powerful tool that makes big data analysis faster and more accessible for programmers. It does this by translating simple script into complex jobs. Why does PIG matter? It reduces complexity by abstracting away complex Java may produce. It increases productivity by drastically cutting development time. It is highly flexible, making it perfect for complex ETL, data pipelines, and research on all data types. And finally, complements the ecosystem. Work alongside tools like Hive as a powerful procedural tool for development and data engineers. Thank you.